Hello everyone and teacher, we are group 9 and today we are presenting our comic strip that named as The Village Water Supply. And this comic strip is combined about mathematics and engineering knowledge to help us solve this real issue that faced by the village. And through the mathematics and the teamwork about the villagers, they are able to obtain the clean water source for daily use. And let us see how mathematics help us solve these important issues.
One day, a pollution outbreak contaminated village Bruno main water pot with harmful germs. The villagers has no longer access to clean water. That makes the situation became serious. A group of chemical engineering was called to build a water filtration system for the village. Before constructing, they need to calculate the size and the capacity of the water tank. This is where the mathematics became important.
Okay, so as chemical engineers, we have found out the problem of village Bruno. Now we have to first calculate the surface area and the volume of the pond so that we can find out the optimum tank volume. So the tank volume will be used is V equals pi r square h, and the optimum radius and optimum height will be 6 meters and 12 meters. Okay, so as earlier, we have found out the optimum height of the water filtration tank will be 12 meters. So now we have to use the tangent to find out what is the optimum angle for the water filtration tank to be at 35 meters away from the pond so that it will not block the sunlight from shining into the pond, because in the pond we have algae too, and algae is very important for the water purification process. So by using the tangent formula, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite will be the height of the tank, which is 12 meters, and the distance from the pond to the tank will be 35 meters, will be the adjacent. So opposite over adjacent, tangent theta equals 12 over 35. So we get the angle will be 18.92 angle degrees. 18.92 degrees will be the best optimum angle of the tank to be elevated from the pond to the tank so that the sunlight will not be blocked. Thank you.
After several days, the water filtration system has successfully completed, and the contaminated pond water is clean for the use for villagers.
I am the game developer for Project Group 9, and this is the game that I've created. It is Save the Villagers Water Supply. So basically, to start, we have to click Start here, and then we have the menu, Introduction, Characters and Missions. So the introduction tells you the background of the game, and then we have characters. We have 5 characters which represent our group members, and then last but not least, we have missions. We have 3 missions: ship, puzzle and bars. Each mission have 3 stages, and it consists of multiple choice questions. Therefore, if you complete a mission, they will have a code given to you. At the last part of the game, you have to combine all 3 codes obtained from each stage to unlock the password here and win the game.
For conclusions, mathematics is not only the subject taught in classroom. The concepts such as geometry, trigonometry, area and volume can help us solve the real life issues. Thank you.